Good afternoon students, welcome back to online maths class. So in the last class we have completed exercise 6.2. So in today's class we are going to start with the next concept, that is solution of system of linear inequalities in two variables. So in the previous section we have discussed about graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables. So there we had only one linear inequality in two variables. So now we are going to have system of linear inequalities in two variables. That means we may have two linear inequalities in two variables or more than two linear inequalities. Whenever we get such linear inequalities, then how do you find the solution? So let us take up the exercise 6.3, question number 1. It is x greater than or equal to 3 and y greater than or equal to 2. So let us proceed with the solution. So the first step is remove the inequality sign and write the equal sign. So it is x equal to 3 and other equation it is y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. So x equal to 3 is a vertical line, whereas y equal to 2 is a horizontal line. So let us go for the graph now. So this is x, origin, x dash, this is y, y dash, y dash. Consider some numbers now, 1, 2, 3, here it is 1, 2, 3. So now let us draw x equal to 3 line now, x equal to 3 it is here and we have to draw the vertical line. So look at the inequalities now, both are slack inequalities, that means we have to go for dark line or the thick line. So I will be drawing x equal to 3 line. So it is a vertical line, it is a line parallel to y axis. This is x equal to 3. This is x equal to 3. Next we will have to go for y equal to 2. So y equal to 1 and y equal to 2 here. It is a horizontal line. Let us draw y equal to 2. So it is a line which is parallel to x axis. So this is y equal to 2 line. Yes, we are done with the graph. So what is the next step now? We will have to go for the shading process. For that we have to select a point 0, 0. So here select a point 0, 0. Select a point 0, 0 and substitute it in the given inequalities. Take up the first inequality now. X greater than or equal to 3. X greater than or equal to 3. What is the value of x? It is 0. 0 greater than or equal to 3. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. 0 greater than 3, which is not true. So here we have to write false. Take up another inequality now. Y greater than or equal to 2. So it is and y greater than or equal to 2. So y is again 0 now. 0 greater than or equal to 2. So which is again false. Yes. For both the inequalities we have got false condition. In case if it is true, now we could have shaded the regions towards the origin. Now for both the lines it has to be away from the origin. For this line it has to be away from the origin. Then Again for this horizontal line, we have to shade the region away from the origin. That means we have to shade vertically. So for this line, it is this particular region, and then for horizontal line, we have to shade the region which is away from the origin. Now the main thing is, for both the lines, we have to look for the common region, common shaded region. That is going to be the solution region. For these two lines, the common region is going to be, it is this portion. This portion will be the solution region for the given inequalities. You have to always look for the common region, common for both the lines. So it will be this region. So I will be shading only this portion. So we will extend a little bit. This will also be extended a little bit. Yes, this common shaded region is the solution region. Therefore, the shaded region or the common shaded region, is the solution region, The common shaded region is the solution region. So this completes the question number 1. Note down this and then we'll move on to question number 2. Well, the next question it is question number 2. So it is 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12 and x greater than 1 and y greater than or equal to 2. Overall we have 3 inequalities now. So let us go ahead. Question number 2, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, and then we have x greater than or equal to 1 and then y greater than or equal to 2. So let us go ahead with the solution. So here we have to remove the inequality sign and write the equal sign for all the 3 inequalities. So 3x plus 2y, this is equals to 12. Let us go for the table now. This is x and then y when x is 0. X is 0 means this will be eliminated. We have 2y equal to 12, that means y will be 6. Now y is 0. So second term will be eliminated. We get 3x equal to 12, that means x will be 4. So these two are so this is a vertical line, this is a horizontal line now. And what are the other two? It is x equal to 1, then y equal to 2. For these 3 equations we have to plot the graph. So let us go for the graph. The maximum value of x it is 4 and the maximum value of y it is 6. That means vertically we need more values. This is x, origin, this is x dash, this is y and this is y dash. So consider values 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Yes. Go for the first table now. So it is 0, 6. It is this point, and then 4, 0. It will be this point. Now, the given inequality. So all the three inequalities are slack inequalities. Join these 2 points with the help of a dark line. So let us join them. Both the sides we need to put the arrow mark and write the equation here. It is 3x plus 2y, which is equals to 12, which is equals to 12. Yes, we are done with the first line. Then take up the next one, x equal to 1, it is this line. Again it is a vertical line. So this is x equal to 1. This is x equal to 1. Then y equal to 2 will be the horizontal line. So this is the horizontal line. So this will be, so this is y equal to 2. Yes. We are done with the plotting the graph. Now you should be very careful about the shading process. We have 3 lines here. One is this one, and then the vertical line, and then the horizontal line. For all the 3 lines, we have to look for the common region. So select a point 0, 0 and substitute it in the given inequalities. I will take up the first inequality, 3x plus 2y. So it is less than or equal to 12. So 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 12. 0 less than or equal to 12. Or 12 greater than 0. Yes, it is true. So write true here, which is true. Then it will take up these 2 inequalities now. X greater than or equal to 2 and x greater than or equal to 1, not 2. X greater than or equal to 1. So this implies 0 greater than or equal to 1. 0 greater than or equal to 1, which is false. Then take up another inequality now. Y greater than or equal to 2. So it is 0 greater than or equal to 2. So again it is false. See here, first one. For this line it is true. For this line it is true means we have to shade the region towards the origin. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಪುಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೀಸ್ 2 marks that indicate towards the origin. Then now you take up x equal to 1, which is false. That means for this vertical line it is false. Means we have to shade the region away from the origin. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ region ನ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಈ ಥರ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So these 2 arrow mark indicates it is away from the origin. Now take up another line. So it is y greater than or equal to 2. For this line it is again false. Very horizontal line gu ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, away from the origin shade ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ region ಬರ್ತದೆ ಈಗ. So it is vertically. Yes. For this line it is towards the origin, and for the vertical line and for the horizontal line it is away from the origin. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ 3 ಲೈನಿಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರೋ ರೀಜನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಶೇಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನೌ. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಆ 3 ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್ for all the given lines is going to play an important role here. So this concept is very important. This is there in the second PU. The same thing is there in the second PU. it is very important to identify the common region for the given inequalities. So this shaded region, common shaded region, is going to be the solution region. So this is all about question number 2. So note down this and then we'll move on to question number 3. Well, let us solve the question number 3. The given question is 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6 and 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. So let us remove the inequality sign and write the equal sign and then go for the table. First one, it is 2x plus y is equals to 6, and then for this we have to write the table. X, y, when x is 0, we get y equal to 6. Now y is 0, we get x equal to 3. So let us take up the second one. 3x plus 4y, this is equals to 12, and write the table. So x, y, when x is 0. X is 0 means we get 4y equal to 12, that is y equal to 3. Then y is 0. So we get 3x equal to 12, that means x equal to 4. So now we will have to go for the graph. The maximum value of x it is 4 and the maximum value of y it is 6. That means vertically we need more values. X origin x dash, then this is y, o, y dash. Then write the values 1, 2, 3, 4. These are enough. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 here. Now take up the first table. It is 0, 6. So x 0, y 6, it is this point, and 3, 0, it is this one. So since it is a slack inequality, we have to join these 2 points with the help of the dark line. So extend the line in both the direction a little bit. So this is the first line and we have to write the equation. It is 2x plus y which is equals to 6. Then let us take up the second table. It is 0, 3. So 0, 3 means it is this point and then 4, 0. It is this point. Join these two with the help of the dark line. So put the arrow mark in both the direction and write the equation here. 3x plus 4y, this is equals to 12. This is equals to 12. So now we have to go for the shading process. So let us analyze now. Select a point 0, 0 and substitute it in the given inequalities. First one, it is 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Then both become 0 now. It is greater than or equal to 6. 0 greater than or equal to 6, which is false. Then Similarly, verify the second inequality, and 3x plus 4y and 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. So it is 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 12. 0 plus 0, it is 0 less than or equal to 12, or 12 greater than 0. Yes, it is true. So which is true? So now let us go for the shading process. For 2x plus y equal to 6, so it is false. For this line, it is false means we have to shade the region away from the origin. Andre ee kadi region ne shade ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು, away from the origin. Then now for the second line, it is true. Andre ee line is true ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ towards the origin shade ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. For this line, it is towards the origin. For this line, it is away from the origin, and for this line, it is towards the origin. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರೋ ರೀಜನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಾವು. either it is this region or this region. ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ರೀಜನ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಎರಡೂ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರಬೇಕದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ the solution region. The common shaded region will be the solution region. For both the lines, it has to be common. For both the lines, it has to be common. The common shaded region is the solution region. So this is all about question number 3. Note down this, and then we'll move on to question number 4. Well, the next question, it is question number 4. X plus y greater than or equal to 4, and then 2x minus y less than 0. Well, we'll go for the solution now. X plus y equal to 4. Write the table now. X and then y, x0, y4, y0, x4. Now second one, 2x minus y which is equals to 0, or we get y equal to 2x, or you get y equal to 2x. For this you write the table. X, y, we'll take 3 values for this. X0, y is also 0. X0 means 2 into 0, it is 0. That means y becomes 0. Then take x as 1, y becomes, see here, 2 into 1, it is 2, y becomes 2. Now take x as 2, y becomes 4. So with the help of these points, we will go for the graph. The maximum value of x, it is 4, and the maximum value of y is also 4. X, O, X dash, then this is Y, O, Y dash. Now write the scale here. 1, 2, 3, it is 4, then 1, 2, 3, then 4. So take up the first table now. 0, 4, x0, y4, and then next x4, y0, it is x4, y0. So we will have to join these two with the dark line, since it is a slack inequality. So let us join these two with the help of the dark line. and we'll write the equation here, x plus y equal to 4. Next, so x0 y0 origin ಆಗ್ತದೆ, it is at this point. Origin ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Then x equal to 1, y equal to 2, so somewhere here. Then x equal to 2, y will be 4, so somewhere here. Yes, we'll get the point exactly in the graph book. So now join these two with the help of the dotted line. Join these two with the help of the dotted line, as it is strict inequality. Both the sides we need to put the arrow mark and write the equation. So what is the equation for this? It is 2x minus y, which is equals to 0. So now we have to go for the shading process. We will consider only this line. For this line we have to consider another point, not 0 comma 0. ಈ ಲೈನಿಗೆ 0 comma 0 ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನಿಗೆ 0 comma 0 ತಗೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ it is, this line is already passing through the origin, already it is passing through 0 comma 0. That means we have to take another point, the point on the x axis or a point on the y axis. So for the time being we'll analyze this line now. Select a point 0 comma 0 and substitute it in the given inequality, not inequalities now, because we are verifying only one inequality now. So which is x plus y greater than or equal to 4. This implies 0 plus 0. So 0 plus 0, it is 0 greater than 4. 0 greater than or equal to 4, which is false. The condition has failed here. 0 greater than 4 means it is false. So for this line it is false, means away from the origin, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ region ಬರಬೇಕು. So it is away from the origin. Then now we go for the dotted line. The dotted line is already passing through the origin. So that means we have to take another point. The point may be on the x axis or the point on the y axis. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಈಗ. So for the time being I will be taking a point on the x axis. ಇದನ್ನಾರು ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನಾರು ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನಾರು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್? So x coordinate is 3, y coordinate will be 0, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3, 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಇದು 2, 0, ಇದು 4, 0, ಇದು 1, 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 3, 0. Select a point 3, 0 and substitute it in the inequality. What is that? 2x minus y less than 0. 2x minus y less than 0. 2x minus y less than 0. So 3, 0 means x value 3, y value 0. So x value is 3 here. 2 into 3 minus y value 0 less than 0. So 2x minus y less than 0. So 2 into 3, it is 6, minus 0 less than 0. This implies 6 minus 0, it is 6, less than 0. 6 less than 0 or 0 greater than 6, which is again false. So for both the lines we have got false condition. So 3, 0 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ ನಾವು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಫೇಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಕಡೆ ರೀಜನ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈಗ ಈ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ 3, 0 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋ ರೀಜನ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೇಡ್ ದ ರೀಜನ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 3, 0. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ it is again away from the origin, and for this line, dotted line, it is away from 3, 0. Away from 3, 0 means it is this region. So for both the lines The common region is going to be this portion. So E portion ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ common region ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this will be the solution region. So this shaded region, this smaller portion is going to be the solution region. So some students may be having the doubt that why we should select only 3, 0, why not the point on the y-axis? So let us consider a point on the y-axis. E point ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. That means either you can take this or this. So E point under coordinates ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ 0, 4. The coordinates becomes 0, 4. And the point on y-axis means x coordinate must be 0. Now substitute this 0, 4 in this inequality 2x minus y less than 0. 2x minus y less than 0. ಈ inequality ದಲ್ಲಿ substitution ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So x value 0 means it will be 0. Minus 4 it is less than 0. 0 minus 4 it is minus 4 less than 0. So what does it say now? 0 greater than minus 4. 0 is greater than minus 4. Yes, it is true. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ರೀ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು 0, 4. 0, 4 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋ ರೀಜನ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ರೀಜನ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 0, 4. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್. So this is all about question number 4. So note down this and we'll take up the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.